real, core concerns, so to speak. But thankfully for us, so far the global market sell-off has turned out to be a storm in the teacup. The first rates are just started ticking in. I'm going to start from where we left yesterday, which is that let's look at yesterday's advances and declines. So we did see a late rally in FMCG. Let's look at that. I want to start the Vodafone Idea. Yesterday Vodafone Idea did see a swing. Despite nothing came from the press conference, the stock really, held on beautifully. Let's look at large cap tech in India. TCS, MindTree, HCL Tech, and now Info Edge is part of FNO. So what exactly is happening in Info Edge post those numbers, where numbers really have been a big beat. So we are off to a good start. It's not a great start, but we are off to a good start. The advanced decline ratio firmly fixed in the green for the number of stocks which are advancing. You got HDFC Life, which is picking it up from where it left yesterday. UPL marching towards 500. I definitely want to mark Zee, because the last couple of days have been very strong for Zee. So Zee is one stock which in a sense is looking quite not charged up, but it is still holding nicely above 200 levels and beautifully holding there. Aisha?
Yeah, it is. Just going to take a look at what the FNO screen as well is looking like. While it's a bit of a quiet start and we don't have any complaints there, 11,300 staying put. Naukri, we were just talking about this one. That's climbed up another 3%. It's the top winner within the FNO universe. Interglobe Aviation, surprise, surprise, that's also seeing a move of about 2%. There's DRL, there is Concor as well, which is looking good by about almost 1% as we speak. On the flip side, there's BOB down 1.25%, Shriram Transport, ONGC, M&M Finance, and PVR, which are seeing some red ticks. The breadth, by the way, is largely favoring the declines, as was the case yesterday as well. ICICI Bank continues to reel under pressure. That's down another 1% right now. The HDFC Twins under also some amount of pressure. SBI is a little bit soft. You've got pressure for Nestle. And then Bharti, that's really been an eyesore. All those gains post the AGR verdict in the Supreme Court have gotten completely undone, and this stock is now struggling sub the 520 level. So that continues to be an eyesore. And I can say the same about ICICI Bank. A few odd sporadic moves here and there, but back to square one literally.